Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an intro to SQL for data analysis, helping you understand how to use SQL to analyze and manipulate data. Whether you're working with databases for the first time or just brushing up on your skills, this guide is for you. 1. What is SQL? SQL, Structured Query Language, is a standard language used for managing and querying data in relational databases. It allows you to interact with databases to retrieve, update, and manipulate data. Understanding SQL is essential for data analysts as it helps you work with large data sets efficiently. 2. Basic SQL commands. The most common SQL commands you'll use for data analysis are: select, retrieves data from a database; from, specifies the table where the data is located; where, filters data based on a condition; order by, sorts data in ascending or descending order; group by, groups rows based on a specified column, often used with aggregate functions like sum, avg, count. Here's a basic query that selects data from a table. SQL select column 1, column 2, from table name, where condition order by column 1. Hat 3. Filtering and sorting data. To analyze data, you often need to filter and sort it. The where clause helps you filter results based on specific conditions, e.g., retrieving data from a certain date range or specific category, while the order by clause helps you organize data in ascending or descending order. For example, SQL select TA from sales, where amount 100, order by date, desk. Hat 4. Aggregating data with functions. SQL offers several aggregate functions to summarize your data. Returns the number of rows. Sum adds up values. AVG calculates the average value. Max finds the maximum value. Min finds the minimum value. For example, if you want to find the total sales amount, SQL selects some amount from sales. 5. Grouping data. You can group data by specific columns to analyze it in segments. The group by clause helps you organize rows into groups and apply aggregate functions. For example, to find the total sales by product category, SQL select category, some amount from sales group by category. The task 6, joining tables. Often, data is stored in multiple tables, and you need to combine them for analysis. You can use SQL join operations to combine data from different tables. The most common joins are: inner join, returns records with matching values in both tables; left join, returns all records from the left table and matching records from the right table. Here's an example of using an inner join to combine sales and products data. SQL select sales.date, sales.amount, products.name from sales inner, join products on sales.productid equals products.productid. SQL is a powerful tool for data analysis, and with just these basic commands, you can retrieve and analyze data effectively. As you practice, you'll become more proficient in writing complex queries to uncover insights in your data. Have you used SQL for data analysis before? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more data tips. See you in the next one.